at 5G today, it's like we are writing a book, special book, a digital book. And in this book today, we are at the beginning. We're like in chapter 1 of the book.
Clearly, well, it's about affordable, reliable, very fast communications. And one can look at 5G and see what it's going to bring to the table.
We expect that in the next few years, from let's say today to 2025, there will be around the world around 350 million connections that will be broadband connection via wireless networks. 5G will be part of it.
In the 5G standardization status, the most important thing is the 5G commercial readiness is expected in early 2020.
We are at the verge of another revolution, which will be a significant transformation. The 5G, or the fifth generation of mobile network communication technology.
If you see all the operators, they are chasing 5G just because they see this as the potential which will make way for a very different way in which telecom industry will be seen in the world.
We start doing some of the 5G use cases, early trials. It turns out that a lot of this can be achieved even on LTE today if you add on some of the concept of edge computing.
I'd like to point out that it is not only the reduction of the cost and high speed of the provision of the data, but we should not forget that this is providing a forum or other platform to connect and encourage machine-to-machine communication.
We really see the 5G as the major enabler for enabling the broadband connectivity in India.
My feeling is there is absolutely no choice. This infrastructure has got to be a common infrastructure. It has got to be a commercial infrastructure which gives great pricing to the operators and completely leaves them from the burden of capex.
We have all the key, I would say, vehicles in place to actually drive forward what we want here in India for 5G. And being India, actually, we can go even further and plan for the World Radio Conference.
As far as optical fiber presence is concerned, in every nook and corner of this country, we have about 8 lakh route kilometers of fiber laid.
Luckily, the technologies for a smooth evolution are already here and already available today. So this journey can start today by enhancing the 4G network, by enhancing the transports, by building the architecture of the core networks and the radio networks for the future, and then finally introducing 3GPP NR as a last step.
With this coalition in place, this partnership between the government, the academia, the industry, and the startups, we do believe that the roadmap for 5G commences right here and right now.
It's big, it's quite well organized. I would believe you more or less have all voice from the telecom, from the media linked to the telecom industry.
So you have the government representatives, you have industry, you have vendor community, operators, and even the developers, and again some of the sensors developers also. So from that perspective, I would say it's a grand event and very good initiative from ET.
And the government also hears from the industry, as a whole, of what are the problems that are facing them. Otherwise, people tend to work in silos. So I'm sure, I must congratulate you for getting such a diverse set of corporates, governments, and from other countries as well here.
I see this as a very prominent step in moving forward. I'm also very impressed with how early India is actually getting on to the 5G bandwagon, and I wish a lot of success to both ET as well as to the 5G in India.
Standard of the event is very, very high, very well attended, very, very excited about to be a part of this event, and congratulations, very well done to Economic Times.